Guys, I think that your life, I really believe in this. I think everybody's life is a destiny. You know, when you look back at it, it's a patchwork. Do you now see at this point in your life that it wasn't so accidental that you were kind of meant to become an icon? Does it make more sense to you when you look back at it now?
No, it makes no sense at all. I can't believe it, and I wake up every morning and I just...
It's a pinch yourself moment every day.
That's why I'm so black and blue.
So, how old are you now? 95? 90?
I'm 96.
96.
Going on 97, I hope.
So, of course you're going to be 97 and 98 and 99. Do you take vitamins or supplements of any kind?
I take chewable Centrum Silver.
Nice. And man, are they going to have a run on that vitamin today.
No, they make these pills for horses. They're so
My mom
big.
says the same thing. Yeah, they're too big to swallow. I agree.
Thank God they have the chewable ones. Rules are made to be broken. I have no rules at all. I think more is more and less is a bore. You have to dress, or you should dress, according to who you are and how you think, and not be a trend follower. The most terrible sin in fashion is looking in the mirror and seeing somebody else. I wear big glasses and a lot of bracelets usually. These are huge, so I only have 2, but sometimes I have like 20. I'm known for my red lipstick, and so I like something bright and definite, and if you're going to wear lipstick, wear lipstick. Pretty color, isn't it? Confidence, I think, is the best accessory you can have.